Welcome to a MainelyDIY.com video. Today I'm going to make a cute little ornament, and I'm going to start with a wooden pre-made ornament, and I'm going to be using a piece of plaid paper. It's kind of Christmassy, plaid's kind of all the rage right now, so that's pretty cool. And I'm just going to take some ordinary, well, this is a permanent glue stick. This one's by Scotch. And I am just going to take that and put a good layer down on my wood. Kind of staying away from the hanger, but getting all of the edges of the wood. Get a nice, good coverage on that. And then I'm going to take my paper and I am going to line up a straight edge of the paper along this top where the ornament is, but I want to make sure I cover the entire ornament. And I'm just going to press that down. And then I'm going to take a pair of scissors, and I'm just going to do a rough cutout around the edge so that I don't have to deal with this big piece of paper. Get that out of my way. And then I'm going to come in and trim the best I can close to the edge. And I'm working from the back side. And I want to try to do a good job. You know, I don't want an edge like that. So, try to do a good job, but you don't need to take a lot of time doing it. And then I can't get this from that side, so I've got to turn it over to get this. Okay. So then I'm just going to take my finger and kind of push that, any excess paper down around that edge, and that will give me a nice rounded feel to my ornament, just like the wood. So it kind of eliminates having to really fuss real hard doing that ornament just right. And then I'm going to take a, I've got a set of stickers here with the sparkly snowflake on it, so I am just going to gently peel that off my paper. And it's quite sticky, so you want to make sure that you get it where you want before you actually place it down on the ornament. Otherwise you risk tearing your paper, and you don't want to do that. So, and say right about there. And didn't quite get it where I wanted, so I am going to gently, I'm going to take my time and peel that up. And I can do it without tearing my paper as long as I go really slow. I got a little bit of tear, but it's going to get covered up, so I just make sure that that's covered when I put it down again. Let's try that. That looks a little better. I'm still to one side. And then you just press it down real good, and you've got a cute little ornament. Simple as that. That didn't take very long.